Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a star so brilliant it rivals the full moon, casting shadows across the ground. A once-in-a-lifetime cosmic spectacle so intense it could be visible even during the day. What if I told you this could happen in your lifetime? Right now, a giant is stirring in the heavens. Betelgeuse, the colossal red supergiant star located in the shoulder of the Orion constellation, is acting unlike anything we've ever seen. In recent years, this ancient star has suddenly surged in brightness by a staggering 250%, puzzling astronomers and sparking one haunting question. Is Betelgeuse about to explode in a supernova? Betelgeuse is no ordinary star. It's a red supergiant, one of the largest and most massive stars visible to the naked eye, located about 642 light-years away from Earth. To give you a sense of its size, if Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, it would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter, swallowing up Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. We are dealing with a titan of cosmic proportions. For thousands of years, this brilliant star has been a staple of human mythology and celestial navigation. But now, after millennia of burning bright, Betelgeuse is in its final act. The clock is ticking and Betelgeuse is heading toward an inevitable and catastrophic end. The world first noticed something was off in late 2019. Betelgeuse, which typically shines as the 10th brightest star in the sky, started to dim. It wasn't subtle either. The star's brightness plunged by 70% over the course of a few months, a mysterious transformation that left astronomers scrambling for answers. Was this a sign that Betelgeuse was about to go supernova? Stars like Betelgeuse eventually explode in a spectacular fashion, and the dimming event seemed like the precursor to such a blast. But just as the scientific community prepared for the potential event of a lifetime, the unexpected happened. Betelgeuse brightened again, not just a little but by an astonishing 250%. The erratic behavior was more than baffling, it was unsettling. This sudden increase in Betelgeuse's brightness sent shockwaves through the astronomical community. What could possibly explain such a drastic change in the star's luminosity? Could we be witnessing the star's final moments as it gathers energy for the ultimate cosmic detonation? Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life, but pinpointing when a supernova will occur is notoriously difficult. It could happen tomorrow, in a decade, or in 100,000 years. But this unusual spike in brightness is a key moment, fueling speculation that the supernova could be much closer than previously anticipated. What happens if Betelgeuse explodes? If Betelgeuse does go supernova, it will be one of the most spectacular events ever witnessed by humanity. The explosion would be visible from Earth even during the day for months on end. The night sky would glow with a dazzling light so bright it could cast shadows on the ground. But what about the effects on Earth? Given its distance of 642 light-years, Betelgeuse is far enough that its explosion wouldn't pose any direct danger to us. However, the supernova would produce a shower of cosmic rays and high-energy particles that would reach our planet within a few 100,000 years. While it wouldn't harm life on Earth, it would provide scientists with invaluable data about supernovae, the universe, and the elements that form stars and planets. The supernova countdown is a waiting game. The ticking clock adds an element of suspense to Betelgeuse's saga. As one of the most studied stars in the galaxy, the scientific community is on edge, monitoring every flicker, every burst of energy. But predicting the exact timing of a supernova is incredibly difficult. Betelgeuse's mass, brightness, and unpredictable behavior have made it a star that defies easy understanding. We do know this: a star of its size and type will eventually collapse, and when it does, it will leave behind a remnant, either a neutron star or a black hole. Is the unusual surge in brightness and Betelgeuse's past erratic behavior the final curtain call before the grand finale? While some scientists suggest the changes might be due to dust clouds or stellar pulsations, others are convinced it's a prelude to something far more spectacular. Imagine the excitement of witnessing a supernova with the naked eye, a once-in-a-millennium event that will reshape our understanding of stellar death. Could this be the final stage in Betelgeuse's life cycle? Are we about to witness one of the most powerful explosions in the universe? What if it doesn't happen? Of course, there's always a chance that Betelgeuse won't explode anytime soon. Despite its erratic behavior, the exact timeline of its final spectacular demise remains elusive. Stars like Betelgeuse don't follow a strict schedule, and predicting a supernova is one of the great unsolved mysteries of astrophysics. Betelgeuse might be teasing us with these sudden fluctuations in brightness only to settle back into its long, slow decline for centuries or even millennia before it finally goes supernova. If Betelgeuse doesn't explode within our lifetimes, it would be a lesson in cosmic patience. The universe operates on a timescale vastly different from our own, and what seems like dramatic changes to us Sudden dimming, rapid brightening, could merely be part of the star's natural cycle, which plays out over thousands if not millions of years. In fact, Betelgeuse could continue its erratic behavior, fluctuating in brightness or even growing more stable again before eventually collapsing under its own weight. But even if the grand explosion doesn't happen for generations, Betelgeuse has already given us an extraordinary gift: a deeper understanding of the complex life cycles of massive stars. Each flicker and surge of the star's light tells us something new about the behavior of dying giants. The mysterious dimming in 2019, for example, taught us how vast clouds of dust and gas can shroud a star, creating the illusion of fading light. By studying these moments, scientists have developed more accurate models of how red supergiants like Betelgeuse behave in their final stages. The puzzle of dying stars. Betelgeuse's recent behavior has forced astronomers to re-evaluate many of their assumptions about stellar evolution. The star's unpredictability has revealed how little we truly understand about the end stages of massive stars. While scientists once believed that red supergiants like Betelgeuse followed a fairly linear path toward supernova, the fluctuations we've observed suggest a far more chaotic and complex process. These fluctuations in brightness, sometimes dimming dramatically, sometimes brightening beyond expectations, have provided invaluable data that's helping scientists refine their models. By observing Betelgeuse's changes in real time, astronomers can compare their theoretical predictions against actual behavior, improving our understanding of how such stars evolve and what signs to look for when a star is nearing its end. In a way, Betelgeuse has become a natural laboratory, a real-time case study in the life and death of massive stars, a window into stellar evolution. If Betelgeuse continues to fluctuate without going supernova, the insights it offers will still be monumental. Astronomers can learn more about the internal dynamics of a dying star, the pulsations caused by nuclear fusion deep within its core, the layers of gas and dust ejected from its surface, and the intricate dance of energy that powers these titanic changes. Betelgeuse is a cosmic bellwether. It's showing us what the future of other massive stars will look like, stars that may eventually collapse and explode in galaxies far beyond our own. In fact, by studying Betelgeuse, we're unlocking secrets that could apply to thousands of other stars scattered across the universe. Each erratic flicker of Betelgeuse may be revealing patterns and behaviors that other dying stars will follow, giving us a glimpse into stellar death on a grander scale. The scientific legacy of Betelgeuse. Even without an explosion, Betelgeuse has already cemented its legacy in the annals of astronomy. The sheer attention it has garnered from both scientists and the public has fueled a deeper interest in the study of supergiants and stellar death. Its unpredictability has spurred new technologies and observation techniques designed to monitor stars with unprecedented precision, from ground-based observatories to space telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. Betelgeuse's recent behavior has been a wake-up call to the astronomical community. It's taught us that the universe doesn't always follow the rules we expect. The dimming event, for instance, initially sparked a wave of excitement about a possible supernova, only for researchers to later attribute the dimming to a dust cloud. Yet even this false alarm was a critical scientific moment, showing us how dust can obscure stars and how complex and multifaceted the processes surrounding dying stars truly are. The ongoing mystery. While we wait, the mystery of Betelgeuse continues to deepen. Will we see more fluctuations in brightness? Is this massive star quietly preparing for its final act, or is this just part of its long erratic fade into cosmic history? These questions make Betelgeuse one of the most watched stars in the sky, keeping astronomers and stargazers alike on the edge of their seats. Even without a supernova, Betelgeuse has transformed the way we study stars. Every year of observation sharpens our understanding, allowing us to prepare for when the next supernova candidate shows similar signs. Betelgeuse may not explode tomorrow, but it has given us the roadmap to better understand how and when these monumental events occur. The excitement surrounding Betelgeuse has already changed how we look at other stars nearing the ends of their lives. Telescopes and observation tools are being trained on other red supergiants, analyzing them for the same kind of unpredictable behavior we've seen in Betelgeuse. This star has laid the groundwork for future discoveries, helping us refine our models and prepare for the next big explosion, whenever it may come. So, while Betelgeuse might be holding back on its grand finale, it has still advanced the field of supernova studies by leaps and bounds. Even in its unpredictability, it is teaching us that the cosmos is full of surprises, and sometimes the waiting game is part of the wonder. No matter when it happens, Betelgeuse's impending supernova will leave behind a profound legacy. It will serve as a reminder of the vast and mysterious forces that shape our universe. Betelgeuse is a cosmic giant that has sparked the imagination of humanity for thousands of years, and when it finally does explode, it will be the ultimate celestial fireworks display. The watch continues. For now we watch and wait. Betelgeuse may not explode in our lifetime, or it could happen tomorrow. What we do know is that the star is unstable, and this unpredictability makes it all the more fascinating. As astronomers continue to study its fluctuations, we remain on edge, wondering if we'll be the generation to witness the brilliant demise of one of the universe's true giants. But until then, every night we look up at Orion's shoulder and be reminded that somewhere out there, a colossal star is approaching its grand finale. And when that moment comes, it will be a sight that echoes through the cosmos for ages to come.